Hi.
Yeah.
What'd you eat? Did you eat yogurt? What's it called? Yogurt? Macy. Hi. What is that? Hey. What is wrong with you? No, not in your hair. Oh, no, you didn't. Macy. Can you say yogurt? I love you. Can you say daddy?
Daddy.
Very good. Can you say hi, puppy?
Hi, puppy.
Very good. Can you say Andrew? Can you say mommy?
Puppy.
Kind of. Can you say baby?
Baby.
Can you say bye-bye?
Baby.
Bye-bye, baby.
Baby. Baby.